Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of Oppo, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the Oppo A3x, we have something incredibly useful for you today. A comprehensive guide on the Oppo A3x LCD replacement. Now, we all know that accidents happen. Whether it's a minor mishap like dropping your phone on the sofa or a major fall onto a hard surface, there may come a time when your beloved A3x's screen suffers a little trauma. Cracks, scratches, or malfunctioning displays can severely impact your user experience. Therefore, having a reliable LCD replacement on hand is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. First off, let's take a moment to celebrate what makes the Oppo A3x a standout smartphone. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and user-friendly interface, it's no wonder so many people have chosen this device. The brilliant display is one of its most striking features: vibrant colors, sharp texts, and an immersive viewing experience. However, that gorgeous screen is also vulnerable to damage, and we really don't want you to miss out on the fantastic visual experience just because of a broken LCD. So, why should you consider replacing your Oppo A3x LCD rather than looking for a new device altogether? For starters, opting for an LCD replacement is typically much more cost-effective than purchasing a brand new phone. The A3x features a beautiful display that enhances everything from social media browsing to binge-watching your favorite series. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the LCD replacement process. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who prefers to leave repairs to professionals, knowing your options is essential. If you decide to go the DIY route, replacing your Oppo A3x LCD can be a rewarding challenge. For those who might feel hesitant or unconfident in their DIY skills, there's no shame in seeking professional help. Many repair shops offer quick and reliable service when it comes to LCD replacement. Knowing where to find a trusted technician who specializes in Oppo repairs can save you time, effort, and stress. In conclusion, the Oppo A3x is undoubtedly a fantastic smartphone, and keeping it in peak condition is vital for the longevity of your device. Whether you choose to tackle the LCD replacement yourself or opt for professional service, ensuring the display is functioning optimally will enhance your overall user experience. Don't let a cracked screen dim the brilliance of your Oppo A3x. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the importance of the Oppo A3x LCD replacement. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those devices safe and happy.